Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions of my first ever Natasha Denona Eyeshadow Palette. When I saw the collection on Dreamer's page, I just had to get the palette, guys. So I purchased the eyeshadow palette, my first ever eyeshadow palette, and one lip gloss from the collection. I did not purchase the face palette because I purchased her face palette from her previous collection. This one here, the Bloom Blush and Glow palette, and I only used the highlighter. I did not like the glow cream. It was just so, it just didn't do anything. This one too dark. The blush actually not bad, but I really used the cream blush from the palette, so I passed on the face glow. I heard the face glow palette not that great at all. That's what I heard. So I purchased the eyeshadow palette and one gloss, the nudist shade from the collection. I think she came up with 3 shades. So I'm gonna test out the eyeshadow palette for you guys. So has a mirror right here, and here is the beautiful palette. And also I'm going to show you guys swatches in natural lighting. I don't believe in swatches, but some of you might want to see the swatches, or you want to see how the shades look like in natural lighting. I'm going to prime my eyes, guys, as always. Oh my god, I just dropped my thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna prime my eyes with my favorite eye primer from Elle. So this is the Putty Eye Primer in the shade Rose. I didn't notice the holes at the back, so you could pop them up if you want to put the pens in a bigger palette if you're a professional makeup artist. Well, I'm not, but it's still very like a neat idea. And then I'm gonna take the I don't know. Okay, red. This shade right here. There's like a dark tan shade. It's very powdery, so I'm just gonna dab it. Oh, this is actually, wow, very pigmented. So I feel like they are lightly pressed and not like pressed really hardly, so I think they're gonna have a lot of fallout, which I don't really mind because I always do my eye makeup then my face makeup. So I'm just gonna drag it out. I like this technique all the time. It just makes my eyes really like my almond shaped eyes look really like sexy. So I'm just gonna I'm not gonna go all the way here because I'm gonna add different color. So I'm just gonna keep on like blending this. So next I'm gonna take this shade right here, this almost like a cool tone brown shade, and I'm gonna do the same technique right here. I'm just gonna dab it. Okay, I'm gonna take the shade Magma. So far, I am really enjoying the shadows. So this one, I'm just gonna apply it right here, and I'm not gonna go all over my crease. So right here. This color, it's a little bit hard to blend. It feels like it doesn't want to move. Next, I'm gonna apply the shade True Copper. Yeah, and then put it right here. This space space on both sides. I'm gonna apply the shade Bliss. So this is a duochrome pink bronzy shade, just to add like that. I don't know what I'm trying to do, to be honest. I know this eye makeup looks really messy right now. Just trust the process. I'm gonna clean up the mess. So this one is the Honest Beauty Liquid Liner. This is a really nice clean makeup brand, especially this liquid liner is very black. It's really nice for a clean makeup brand. And I'm just gonna wing up my eyes. I am using a wipe to clean up the mess, and also just to make my eye makeup look, you know, clean. Applying complexion products, I already applied the glow stick from in SPF 50 from Supergoop. Same complexion products by Beauty Micellar Foundation Changemaker Supercharged Micellar Foundation, sorry, in shade M90. And then for my under eyes, Ben Nye Cosmetics Color Corrector and Kevin O'Quan the Sensual Skin Enhancer in SX10. For the brows, I am applying the High Brow Precision Pencil from Mented Cosmetics. This was only $15. It's very nice and gives me the precise application, especially I have really uneven brows. And I love the color. It doesn't look red on me. It doesn't have the red undertone. So this is in the shade light brown. So I'm just gonna focus more on my tailbone area because this is like where like I have bald spots on this side. Then you know the drill. I'll be using the Patrick Ta Major Brow Wax in the shade Tinted. So okay, I'm gonna be using the same shade Magma again. I'll be using this Patrick Ta brush just to tightline my waterline, and also I'll be using the shade Bliss, this duochrome pink shade. So let me set my under eyes with this Hourglass ambient powder, this setting powder, just to make my under eyes look extra airbrush. Makes like when I take a picture, my under eyes look really flawless every time I use this one. Extra flawless, I should say. And I have dry skin with this. It doesn't look cakey at all. I apply bronzer from Casas in the shade Light. This is the baked bronzer from the Casas. Then for my cheeks, I'll be applying this Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in the shade Ooh, She's Different. I already did my first impressions of his new collection, and then I'm gonna do the same technique. I'm gonna apply the blush first. So this is a very nice berry shade, and the powder doesn't feel dusty, and I don't see any fallout at all, as you can see. Then last thing that I bought from Natasha Denona is her Leftofuria Gloss and Balm, the shade Tan Nude, which is, I think this is like the nudist shade from all of the collection or colors. I'm gonna apply this one alone. Ooh, it's actually a really pigmented gloss. It's a peachy nude. So you can see, guys, this lip color is not bad at all, but gonna apply a lip liner. So this is the Patrick Ta, what do you call this, Precision Lip Crayon in the shade Ooh, She's Single. Now my look is complete. So now I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about the products. I only use them today. I like one, so I'm definitely going to update you guys next time. So I'm definitely going to use them again. I love the packaging, and also I love the idea they can pop them out and put the pants in a bigger palette. If you're a professional makeup artist, that'd be a really great idea. And I love the colors, really good for every day. These are the type of colors that I like to use. I don't have a old bronze eyeshadow palette. I used to collect one tone eyeshadow palette, so I'm really happy with the colors, and they're now way too warm. It's actually really like beautiful bronzy shade. These two shades right here, I feel like they're like they don't belong in the bronze family, just my personal opinion. So I don't know how I feel these two colors, like they're not the colors that I would like to use, maybe something different. But overall, I am really happy with the palette. I'm really glad that I purchased this palette. $65. It's expensive, but I feel like, you know, it's worth the money. So the only two matte shades that I was having hard time blending out were these two shades. So they were a little bit really, I mean, a little harder to blend than the shade Wrench, this lighter brown shade, like a tan nude shade. So you do have to blend them out, but they were still very workable. You know, I was able to make them work. So I'm really happy overall, really happy with the palette. So I'm definitely going to use this more. And then I'm thinking of comparing this one with the Supreme Nudes from Artist Couture. So next one is the gloss. So the gloss, I am wearing this one together. Oh my goodness, there's something. Okay, so I'm wearing this one together with the Pachuta lip liner. I just love, you know, wearing the Pachuta Precision lip liner, lip crayon. So this one, when I applied, I love the one, it was like a spongy one, but when I applied it, it's applied really sticky, like bummy. It says in here like a bum, it's I think a bummy formula. But when I smack my lips, didn't feel sticky at all, even now. And the smell of this, I actually love the peppermint smell. I'm hoping that this would not break me out or like would not make my lips really red, because I am allergic to peppermint. So so far guys, I don't see any reaction so far. So really, I really enjoyed both products. And let me know if you purchase her new collection, her bronze collection, and what you think about the formula. And this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.